Glare control panels ensure thermal comfort and rainwater is captured and used through a reed-bed system and wind roof. So to explain about the power transmission in terms of electricity, such as lights, lamps, and fans. The power is all transmitted from the photovoltaic panels and wind turbines on the roof, which makes this building is one of the most greenest buildings in Australia. About the overall thermal transfer value, the heat transfer is by radiation, which this window it uses a toughened tempered glass. So as you can see, the energy cooling and heating provided by a gas-fired ammonia absorption heat pump chiller with an air-cooled condenser, high efficiency lighting with daylight control, indoor environment quality, underfloor air distribution with individual occupant control, 100% outside air at rates, 150% above code requirements, slab cooling. Transport, bicycle racks, showers and lockers installed for building users, and no car parking provided for the building. So there is no provided parking mainly for the building itself. About the water, it is designed to have 100% water self-sufficiency and low flow fixtures and fittings. The emissions are 0 GWP and ODP refrigerants. Building facade designed for disassembly. Now I'm explaining about the ventilation of this building, which like I said, this building has a windows of a rotatable. So like I said, this building has a rotatable 180 degrees windows, so that allows more ventilation to be transmitted through the building. So about this ventilation, it also serves fully 100% fresh air to the indoors to ensure it keeps the building as green as possible. So like I said, this building is dependable on more towards the natural ventilation, which they minimize the usage of AC and fans. So as you see during the night, which from the diagram shown, it shows how free night cooling features works during the night. So as you can see how a free night cooling works, the building has a daylight delay control feature built in the building. So thanks to its effectiveness of the built-in glare control that fully provides sunlight shades to the interior and reduce overall heat. For the acoustic, this building uses wall cladding as an acoustic panel system for the building. So the image shown are examples from the stair section that shows the wall cladding being installed. Now about the free night cooling. The Pixel facade includes smart window technology that automatically opens the windows of the facade on cool nights to enable the night air to flood into the building and cool the structure, like I said in the previous slides. Also, this has 100% fresh air feature. All of the air being distributed and used in the Pixel building is 100% fresh air. Now to the gas-fired absorption chiller. The gas-fired absorption chiller is the first of its kind in a commercial building in Australia. As a consequence of this technology, the carbon emissions from the energy are dramatically lowered. Tracking and fixed photovoltaic panels, the Pixel has implemented an extensive photovoltaic array on the roof of the building, which orient the panels towards the sun at all times of the year. Tracking and fixed photovoltaic panels. So the solar panels and vertical axis wind turbines on the roof generate energy to offset the building's electricity use, which you can see on the roof plan. And the image, they have the wind turbines and photovoltaic solar panels shown. Daylight glare control. Pixel is designed to provide 100% daylight penetration into the office space, whilst allowing screen-based technologies to be deployed without the need for blinds. So this is very interesting because this building it uses a minimal to none So the glare control reduces heat and provides necessary shades for sunlight control. The GP analysis was performed in spaces with dynamic control, full-scale measurements and integrated daylighting. Full-scale measurements and integrated daylighting glare modeling were performed. Experimental correlations between DGP and indoor luminescence are presented. Results include limitations of glare indexes and application of simplified metrics. Simple sunlight protection shading cannot prevent glare. This building also features collecting and filtering rainwater. Water falling on the pixel building as rainwater will be collected after it has been used to irrigate the living roof. This feature is very much related to the environmental science project. Also, the office building includes a native planted green roof that harvests and collects rainwater. So, from the image shown, the rainwater falling on the living roof has been used to irrigate the beds. It will be captured and stored in the tanks within the building. Once there, it will be treated by reverse osmosis to potable water standard and then distributed to all fixtures and fitting within the building. Pixel aims to be completed self-sufficient in all its water requirements. This also has a vacuum toilet technology. Pixel is the first project in Australia to implement small-scale vacuum toilet technology. Vacuum toilet systems reduce the water consumption to an absolute minimum. Pixel is the first project in Australia to implement small-scale vacuum toilet technology. Vacuum toilet systems reduce the water consumption to an absolute minimum. Now, this is the evolution of the facade technology. The building's selected facade is the striking point of difference, consisting of dozens of fixed panels of vivid colors arranged at different angles to minimize heat gain and minimize light penetration. The facade resembles a Harlequin stalk. Now, to the suggestion. Based on my suggestion and an overlook to this building, they of course have their own advantages and disadvantages to the building itself as opposed to how this building is made and being chosen as a green building. So both of these disadvantages are based on my personal opinion and based on my personal study on the subject. So to the advantages, the rarely installed night cooling feature really brings an upgrade to building's identity to a whole new level. The wall cladding of this building offers great ways of reducing total unwanted external noise. The photovoltaic roof installed is a great and smart way of reducing total electricity the building uses. So the disadvantages. Sadly, the main drawbacks and disadvantage of night cooling is this feature heavily relies on climate. It occurs only when the climate allows it. The wall cladding installed are very limited and it's only installed on the stair section instead of the main rooms like office. The photovoltaic installed roofs tend to be expensive in my opinion and doesn't work for every roof. To the conclusion, the ecological sustainability design initiatives taken for pixel building. Carbon efficient pixel was designed to be carbon neutral. Water balance given that Melbourne returns to the 10-year rainfall average of 1999 and to 2009. Pixel could be disconnected from the main supply and be self-sufficient for water supply. Now the second point, Pixel Creek Environmental Concrete. Grocon has developed a new structural concrete design which half the embodied carbon within the concrete mix. This product has a very significant potential worldwide impact. Free night cooling. The pixel facade includes smart technology that automatically opens the windows of the facade on cool nights to enable the night air to flood into the building and cool disruption. 100% fresh air. All of the air being distributed and used in the pixel building is 100% fresh air. Gas-fired absorption chiller. The gas-fired absorption chiller is the first of its kind in a commercial building in Australia. As a consequence of this technology, the carbon emissions from the energy are dramatically lower. Tracking and fixed photovoltaic panels. Pixel has implemented an extensive photovoltaic array on the roof of the building, which orient the panels towards the sun at all times of the year. Daylight glare control. Pixel is designed to provide 100% daylight penetration into the office space, whilst allowing screen-based technologies to be deployed without the need for blinds. Water sensitive. Water sensitive design. Irrigation building use reed bed irrigation. Water falling on the PC building as rainwater will be collected after it has been used to irrigate the building roof. Vacuum toilet technology and anaerobic digester. Alright, that's all for me today. Thank you for listening to my presentation and Assalamualaikum.